Welcome to a day in the life at a smart factory. My name is Kenneth Labhart. I'm Director of Innovation in Smart Factory for the Supply Chain Performance Group in North America. Our facility is in its 65th year of production, and we're proud to have provided a digital transformation in a mature brownfield facility. My role is supporting our plants in the adoption of digital transformation technologies, and I'd like to show you the span of those types of technologies that I supported here for the Lexington, Kentucky facility. The first of which being the e-performance module of our lean digitization system. It is vital in our plants and factories that we show the same process calculations and performance calculations and share that data adequately throughout the facilities and also across the facilities within the region. In addition to that standardization technology, we also drive innovative projects. In the case of innovation for Lexington, our big innovation is private 5G. And we're right now deploying the first private 5G network in a Schneider Electric facility in North America. We're discovering how that private 5G technology can benefit and aid us in solving problems that we've seen with traditional wireless technologies. So regardless of the level of technology, the end result is an empowerment of the employee to make the right decisions at the right time with the right data. That's a day in the life of a Director of Innovation in Smart Factory for Schneider Electric's Supply Chain Performance Group.